Here we are in the dog days of summer. It is hot out there. No changes in sight. No cold fronts, but thankfully no storms either in terms of tropical systems. Here's our Windjammer Resort camera this afternoon. If you can get a spot under an umbrella at the beach, not a bad place to be. 87 right now in Miami, 90 Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood, 89 in Key West. 8 on the stickiness scale, extra steamy. That's going to last, of course, through August and September. 96 is what it feels like. Southeast breeze out there, at least helping to take a little bit of edge off the heat. Spotty showers and thunderstorms around. A bit of activity has gone up in the metro area and the western side right now, running from central Miami-Dade on up into southwest sections of Broward. The heaviest activity right along the turnpike now and over to US 27. So a little bit of a slower than normal commute on the turnpike, which is typically slow this time of evening, and now along I-75 there from Pembroke Pines, Miramar, Pembroke Pines up through Southwest Ranches. Eventually this is going to impact Weston before it moves on north into the Everglades. Feels like temperatures, oh, it's warm. Upper 90s to right at 101 in Pembroke Pines right now on the satellite map through the afternoon, showing the big thunderstorms that fired up earlier along the sea breeze moving north thanks to our steering currents being from south to north, and the bigger picture showing that there's really not a lot going on. Some moisture over the southern U.S. and North Florida, and that's where we're seeing the heaviest downpours. In fact, computer models really don't change much as we go through the pattern here through the week. Slightly drier air is to our southeast. It never seemed to really make it in and stay. Tropical moisture draped across the northern part of Florida, and these little waves of moisture come in from time to time. So a typical summertime pattern with some spotty storms here or there, lots of summer heat. So the Gulf right now quiet, the Caribbean quiet. In fact, if you look at these little cloud elements, they're moving from west to east, a sign of very sheared conditions down there. That's inhibitive of tropical development. Now the Atlantic, kind of a milky appearance out here. This is some Saharan dust that's out there, that also an inhibiting factor for tropical development, and tropical development not expected right through much of the week. Temperatures across the country, everybody else also enjoying summer. Here's our forecast for tonight. Going to be see a few evening storms around, especially in the western sides of Miami-Dade and Broward, northwest Miami-Dade now and western Broward. A low temperature near 79 degrees. Some areas won't drop below 80. Summer sun tomorrow, a repeat of today. Some spotty afternoon storms develop. High temperature near 92. For boaters, wind southeast averaging 10, seas 1 to 2 feet. A light chop on the bays. Surf temperatures up there. It's at 87. Through the rest of the week, wow, not a lot of changes. It's summertime, and it looks like that's going to stay for quite some time. Back to you.